Hello guys, this is co-biker Anand. So today we are going to do a modification in Hero Honda Splendor bike. Yeah, uh, those who want their exhaust to be like something different, noisy. So this is for them. And let's get started and stay tuned to my channel. So guys, this is the Splendor bike. This bike is of my father's. So we are going to make a modification in this bike, and he's my brother, and he's going to do that. So we have to open the panel, and this is a filter panel. This so this is the screw, 4 screws, and that side also 2. So we have to open that first. So when we are done with this is the filter. You can see this is the filter, and if someone wants a more nice sound, then they can use KN filter for the bikes. And you can see this, and as it's stone here, I don't know, but still it's in a good condition. So now we are going to show you the sound of this. You have to remove this cap, filter cap. This is the filter cap, and so now we have closed this panel, but the filter cap is here. And now my brother is start the bike. So look at the sound of the exhaust. So guys, this was it. And remember that if your bike is giving a good mileage, and for the stock exhaust sound you want to do this modification, it's okay, but it will give little less mileage. In that cases, uh, 3 to 4 kilometer will decrease in this case if you remove the filter cap. And now my brother is going to fit it again. This is the filter, and now he is going to put this cap there. And it's very simple and very easy, and this modification does not take even any cost. Simple modification, and the sound of the bike sound seems to be like an great bike. It's a costly bike. So is tightening it up, and so these are the screws we have to tighten it. And please carefully tighten the screws, okay, because it can be bent. So he is done with it, and he is locking it up. So it's done now, and it will sounds. This is it, guys, for today's. Please stay tuned to our channel and subscribe if you have not subscribed the channel. Press the bell icon if you want more videos and latest upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.